Happy New Year! In this first video of 2020, I'm going to delve a bit deeper into the question around red hair and can you have a fully cool skin undertone? And I'm also going to make some channel announcements. Stay tuned. Happy New Year, happy new decade. I wish nothing but beautiful things for you for this upcoming year and upcoming decade. Quick announcements. I have been extremely busy, and so that's why I haven't been able to produce a video in a while. I haven't forgotten about the channel. I do read your comments and what have you. Just I've been time stretched. My plan is to hopefully tack on some time for when I have in-person clients to record a video at the end of those sessions when the clients have left and address any comments or questions that have come up during that appointment to hopefully guide you, or perhaps questions that have come up or comments that have come up during the week. So that's the plan for the channel. I hope to be producing more content in 2020. And one more announcement, if you have not had a chance to check out my Amazon storefronts as of yet, please do so. I'll include a link in the description below. I have gone through some great fashion finds on Amazon and sorted them all by seasonal color palette. So check it out. I'm really excited about those storefronts. This is something I've always wanted to do in terms of putting out online shopping experiences by color palette, and I'm hoping to do more of that into this year as well. I've been having so much fun, frankly, filling the storefronts. It's actually a thrilling experience for me. I actually find so much passion and inspiration in color analysis, and that's why I do this channel and that's why I do these videos. This video is part one of a two-part series, let's call it, recorded today to address some comments that have arisen over the last couple months, some key themes of comments. So stay tuned for the part two video. I'll include a link to it below when it is posted. In this video, I'm going to address the common question that I'm seeing about, I have red hair, pale skin, of course I have a fully cool skin undertone. Do you? Now let's move into that content. So on your screen right now is Mackenzie. That is her natural red hair pictured, so it's got red qualities to it. She has a skin tone that is on the paler side. I am going to treat this like it's a virtual analysis because I don't have pictures with her with fabrics against her, but she gave her permission to appear in this video in terms of me using this photo. So she is a great representation of somebody with red hair and pale skin. And if you're somebody who has been commenting on my videos, who sort of has these qualities to your skin, in the next set of photos, pretend your picture is in place of Mackenzie. So for those that enjoy my eye pattern videos and analysis, here is Mackenzie's eye pattern. As you can see, it's got halo structure around the pupil, and there's also a brown speckle in her eye pattern. So the first set of photos I want to walk you through is cool versus warm summary flags against Mackenzie. So on the left is the cool summary flag, and on the right is the warm summary flag. So again, pretend if you have red hair and pale skin that you're pictured in these photos instead of Mackenzie. So if you're somebody who's saying that I have pale skin, red hair, and have a cool undertone, what you're saying is that the colors on the left are more optimal for you than the colors on the right. And the next couple slides, I'm going to look at a few more colors, cool versus warm in detail. So here's gray, which is cool, versus brown. So again, what you're saying, if you think you have a cool undertone, is that the gray adds more sparkle to you than the brown. Here's another example, pink versus orange. So pink is cool, orange is warm in this scenario. There are cool and warm pinks, but this particular pink in the picture is cool. Here is silver versus gold. Silver is cool, gold is warm. So in all of those, I see that the warm is adding more sparkle to Mackenzie. But let's say you couldn't tell, and you just couldn't tell. And so the next step in color analysis is looking at primary color season. So on the top here is autumn and spring. So autumn's on the left, spring is on the right top, and on the bottom left is winter, and on the bottom right is summer. So if you're somebody who landed on you being cool, what you would do is test the bottom colors on you, and I definitely see the top colors are more in harmony with Mackenzie, and so which is in alignment with the warm seasons and warm undertone. And let's say you couldn't see these summary flag pictures clearly. So here on the top is warm coloring, and on the bottom is cool coloring against Mackenzie. And so again, the warm coloring is adding more sparkle to her, is more in harmony with her hair color, which is natural, and more in harmony with her coloring. And so hopefully that comes across on your screens, and hopefully it makes you then, if you're somebody with red hair and you have a cool undertone, fully cool undertone, that this helps you then to take it one step further and look at the primary color seasons, winter, summer, autumn, spring on you, because that's what you're really saying. If you have a fully cool undertone, you're saying that winter and summer is better on you than autumn, spring, which pictured here is autumn, spring is top, winter, summer is on the bottom. So hopefully this helps you answer the question. So my color analysis training and experience has told me that it is impossible for somebody with naturally red hair to have a fully cool skin undertone. So again, hopefully this helps you. Have a lovely day.